Bluey and Bingo were chasing each other through the meadow when, boom, the ground shook, mud splattered, and a massive pig stormed out of the barn. Bingo squealed, "That thing looks furious." Bluey growled, "He's challenging us. Could playtime turn into battle today?" The pig stomped forward, snorting steam, eyes blazing wild. Coco shouted from a fence, "Don't let him catch you." Muffin laughed, "He's huge." Bluey wagged her tail but stood firm, "If he wants a challenge, he's got one." Could courage beat chaos? The pig charged like thunder, knocking over hay bales, smashing barrels. Bingo darted aside, shouting, "He's fast." Bluey leapt high, landing on a stack of crates, yelling, "We have to outsmart him." The pig turned sharp, crashing through wood, splinters flying. Could brains win against brute power? Bluey tossed a rope, trying to lasso the pig, but snap it broke in an instant. Bingo hurled apples, but the pig gobbled them whole, squealing louder. Coco ducked low, "That's insane." Muffin cried, "Nothing stops him." Could anyone control this beast? Bandit appeared, calm but ready, "Remember, every wild storm has a weakness." Bluey's eyes lit, not force, but rhythm. She barked, "Bingo, drum on the buckets." Bingo pounded fast, boom boom, while Bluey danced in circles, tail flashing. The pig paused, tilting his head, confused. Could music tame the madness? The pig slowed, snorting softer, then started stomping in rhythm, actually dancing with them. Everyone gasped. Coco clapped, Muffin rolled in laughter, shouting, "He loves the beat." Bluey twirled, Bingo drummed harder, and the pig spun, shaking mud everywhere but smiling wide. Could enemies turn into partners this quick? As the sun set, the pig collapsed in the mud, exhausted but calm, snoring like a tractor. Bluey patted his head, not a monster, just lonely. Bingo giggled, "Best dance battle ever." The meadow echoed with laughter. Bluey turned to us, eyes bright, tail wagging, "Every fight hides a story, every wild day hides a surprise." If you want to see what comes next, hit like, subscribe, and run with us into the next adventure.